I just wanted to quickly talk to you about handbags, okay? Because yes, we get caught up in buying the beautiful handbag, but what is it actually doing to your posture? Okay, this is really important. And tell me, believe me, I've had a lifetime of experience with this. And so what I want you to do is to be very, very aware of what handbag you are using every day, okay? Yes, we get fancy handbags that we can use if we're going out and we're just having some fun. That's fine, there's no tension on you, you're just walking, it's a lightweight bag, you're just carrying a few essentials in this, and that's fine, off you go, that's no problem, okay? But what I'm talking about is a handbag that you are using every day, and how do you carry it? You're carrying it like this, okay, and it's going to scrunch up your shoulder, so you're scrunching up your shoulder. I know I'm speaking from experience, okay? I know you're going, that's me, okay? Can you see what it's doing to my posture? No good, okay? And then when you go like this, and it's heavy, okay, and so then you're starting and you're walking, you've got everything on the kitchen sink in it, so you tilt it, okay? Can you see my posture? No good. Plus you get round shouldered, all right? And we're hunching it, okay? And we're in a hurry and we're full of tension. Another thing that we do, I call it the mothering arm, is that I used to carry my bag like this, okay? And then I've got my keys out and I've got them in this hand. But I've got all the shopping in this hand, everything. The handbag, the shopping, the everything. It gets scrunched like this, so we walk like this. The keys are in the other hand to be free. This shoulder gets all scrunched up here, okay? You start to get neck ache in your mouth, you get headaches, jaw, teeth. All this area, your posture goes all like this, rounded and awful. And so now you're carrying all that to get to the front door or the car or whatever, and you do this for 15, 20 years, that's what you end up looking like. You take that away and you end up looking like that, okay? Plus you're walking with all this pain and injury. All right, so it's my mission to end this craziness, okay? Please listen to me. You've got to get your posture back. You've got to get your shoulders back and down. And then I invest in your everyday bag. It can still be a beautiful leather handbag, quality that I keep polished and cleaned, all right? Looking practical, but looking smart. And but now it goes on your back, all right? So we put it on our back. I'm still looking smart. I've got my shoulders back and down. I'm going for my walk, okay? Can you see my posture? And because of the weight of it, it's actually forcing my shoulders back and down and making me walk. So now I'm walking beautifully, okay? Can you see the difference? Now I can breathe, I can digest. Invest in the right handbag. Please go and have a look at your bag, look at yourself in the mirror, fix it. Great. See you next time.